Hello and welcome. We continue the case picking. In the previous session, we have done all the setups and few transactions. Now we'll start with the releasing the sales order. Sales order number we have already captured here, 66433. This particular order will try to release through this first step, release sales order for picking. Let's go to the EBS instance. This was the order number. We're going to release this. Copy. For releasing your multiple ways, so I'm going to just use the batch program. Release sales order. Okay, you put your order number here, remove any conditions. In inventory where you're releasing, put the warehouse code. So your allocation inventory, auto allocation is done. Some stagings are already defined. There is nothing here. Delivery creation is auto pick confirm is no. That means we are going to perform the picking using the mobile application. So we are good, and we can now release this order. So go ahead and attempt to release it. Okay, let's wait for the program to get completed. So pick slip selection list program is completed. So that means we should have done this release now. Let's validate whether the line has been released or not. You can do that using the shipping transaction form just to validate whether the line is released or not. So copy paste your order number, search for it, and play the status says released to warehouse. So this has been released. Next step would be transact the move order. So that means the release activity is completed. So we confirm that release we can put the condition here, validate that shipping transaction form has a status released to warehouse, which we have already validated. So we're good with this. Now the next step would be to log into mobile screen. I'll say MSCA and see whether there is a task to perform or not. So stay tuned for the next I'll take you to the MSCA screen right away. Let's now log into mobile device. Here is the mobile device. I have actually navigated to, let's go to the main menu, start from the task, go to manual task, go to here paper based picking, and ask for the pick ID. Pick ID you will get it from the request that was run release sales order program actually generated a pick slip report. You can take the pick slip report output and then you will find the pick ID there. So this is the task. This is the move order report, pick slip report. You can see the pick slip has generated from case. So picking sub inventory is case. That means our case picking is working, and it also given the task ID at the bottom where you have the line level details. This is the header. Move order has a number ending with 34, and these are there's only one line here, and this is the task ID. You can copy this task ID, go to the MSCA screen, right click, paste, enter. You will be asked to confirm. So I'm going to put the case here, confirm the locator or the LPN. I don't know, so I can just confirm the locator first, and then it will ask for the LPN. You can choose the control L. There are two LPN 1010 each is there. Let's say 58A. So you confirm 58A, and then automatically you will be given the the next LPN. You can do control L, 59A. Both are then loaded, and then we can go ahead and drop them. So load and drop function, you're dropping in STA and L1.1.1. If you want to create a new consolidated LPN, you can generate a new LPN and you can drop, let's say 60A is what you consolidated and drop. So this completes the picking transaction for LPN 59A. So task, and then similarly we do for 58A second LPN is also getting dropped in LPN 60, and you can do the done button. So LPN 60A is now the consolidated LPN that will go to the customer, and it will have 58A and 59A. So with this is the second leg, to LPN by LPN we are doing transaction, and we picked from case sub inventory and we dropped into the staging lane. You can double check on this, the picking from sub inventory and to sub inventory. So we are able to confirm that with this we are able to perform the case picking, and it does. Task ID is complete, task is completed. So this was one of the way to perform the picking task. We use the paper based picking. Similarly, you can do paperless picking also, which we'll do in the next session. So let's go ahead and compile. So log into this, and then navigate to paper, navigate to task, and then from task you go to paperless, paper based picking, and then you enter the task ID. Remember, task ID you will get from the pick slip report. Get it from pick slip report of that particular sales order release, and then you perform the task, confirm the picking LPN by LPN, 2 LPNs you have taken. So you confirm them and drop them to the staging lane. So with this we'll complete the picking process. Picking is complete. How do we validate? We can go to the shipping transaction screen and see what's happening there. So we are into shipping. We can go to shipping transaction form. We have the order number 66433. Staged and pick confirmed. That means it's done now. So picking has been confirmed. Now the next activity is to ship confirm. I can perform the quick ship here. So I go to the main menu. Okay, go to the outbound, shipping. We can do LPN shipping, quick ship. Let's say I want to do LPN ship, then we can do the LPN shipping. All right. So this is the next process. So we'll not jump into that. We'll just leave it here. LPN 60A. This exercise was to complete the picking, and we are able to complete the exercise. And after that, we'll do the shipping exercise. So with this, we can confirm the case picking is working, and we move on to the next session. Thank you for watching.